What's up, y'all? So I think one of the best appetizers to make is stuffed mushrooms. They're super easy to make, they're super delicious, they're versatile, they're great for parties, you can eat them with your hands, they're just all around 2 thumbs up. So today we're gonna be making these easy stuffed mushrooms. Let's get started.
So what we want to do first is start by removing the stems from our mushrooms. And then we're going to take those stems and we're going to chop them into small, tiny little pieces. And then we'll add the mushrooms to a pan with oil, add in some onions, toss it a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and add in some garlic and saute until the onion is translucent. And now we'll add this mix to a bowl. We'll add in some cream cheese, some nutritional yeast, some salt and pepper, a little bit of vegan Parmesan, some parsley, and then we'll go ahead and give that a good mix until it's mixed really well. And then we'll want to scoop out a little bit and then go ahead and add those to our mushroom caps. And we'll fill each mushroom and then place onto a baking sheet. And then we'll go ahead and top each mushroom with some breadcrumbs. Today we're using Kelly's Just Crumbs, but any breadcrumbs will do. Then once each cap is filled, we'll go ahead and bake it at 400 for roughly 20 minutes.
And there you have our easy stuffed mushrooms. They're packed with cream cheese, the stems of the mushrooms, some sauteed onions, we got some parsley, we got Kelly's croutons mix. All right, enough talking. Let's give these bad boys a try. Which one do we do? Let's do the big one. Here we go. Super, super juicy, look at that. Really, really good. And what's great is you can make these ahead of time. Just stuff them up, store them in the fridge, throw them in the oven when you're ready. It's that easy. They're super delicious, easy stuffed mushrooms. So if you like this recipe, the link will be in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.